Hey guys, I happened to be on Facebook today and the live broadcast came on. It was Trump talking about opioids, the what are they calling it now? Opioids, the crisis next door. That's what they're calling it these days. The war on drugs. And so what did he have to say? Basically, he's talking about how they're gonna, start cracking down on all these drug dealers, and they're going to be getting the death penalty, if they get prosecuted, and they're going to save our kids, all these, all the kids that are getting addicted and dying. And the thing is, being a chronic pain patient, I'm always listening for anything about us, and didn't say one single word about chronic pain patients, legitimate patients. What's going to happen with them? He said they're going to cut down by 1/3 all of the prescriptions for opiates, opioid drugs and narcotic drugs and all that stuff. And it's like, so it's probably just going to keep getting worse for us. We are never mentioned at all. We don't even seem to be really considered at all. I mean, I can see there was a couple on there who spoke about how their son died because I guess he got into their painkillers and then he got addicted and then he went out and bought drugs on the street, and that's how he died. And I think that's how most of the people are dying, from drugs on the street. It's not really, prescription painkillers. It's people take those and then they get addicted, they get hooked on it, and then they go buy stuff on the street, and that's the stuff that kills them. But it doesn't seem to be the prescription stuff that's really killing people. It's just that's how people get hooked on it in the beginning. They get addicted to it. And Trump was saying, oh, we need to come up with painkillers that are less addicting. And, well, you know what? If they could do that and they work, that'd be okay by me. I mean, I don't care. Being a chronic pain patient, I don't really care what the drug is, as long as it makes me feel better and, brings my pain level down just so I can function better throughout the day. That's all I care about. But just one time, I would like to see legitimate patients mentioned. They should have someone like me up there getting up and saying, hey, what about us? It needs to be fair for us too. We're just getting kind of, kicked to the curb. We don't seem to matter. I mean, those painkillers are actually designed for, people who need them like us. Of course, doctors will always tell you they're only good for short term, for after you have surgery and stuff like that. But, I've been taking that stuff for I don't know how many years now, and it still helps me. And I get comment after comment after comment on my videos from other chronic pain patients and sufferers saying the exact same thing. So it doesn't seem like it's going to get any better for us chronic pain patients anytime soon.
But I'm
Thanks
doing
for watching, you guys. Talk to you next time.
Every day and every night, hanging on by a thread. That thread's just a little too tight. If I can't find some peace of mind, I'll take what I can get. I ain't doing much good, but I'm doing my best.